Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Thaat. This is the part 2 video of Thaat. Earlier video we have discussed what is Thaat, what is Komal Swara, Suddha Swara, what is Tivra Swara, how the scale formed, how the Thaat works. We mentioned about the Rag and their Jati. In this video, I want to discuss with you the different types of Thaat. How many types of Thaats are present in India? One formula is there. B3, K3, MP, TA. There are 10 Thaats. B3, K3, M, P, T and then A. B3. Bilawal, Bhairav, Bhairavi. K3 Kalyan, Kafi, Khamaj. M Marwa, P Purvi, T Tori, A Ashavari. Okay, B3, K3, MP, TA. All the rags are coming under this category. Thaat always has his own raga. Always. So the name of the Thaat I mentioned, these all are present in the ragas also. So the same logic. All Thaat has his raga.